his disease for a long time, and this morning he has passed away. This morning I had a phone call with his wife, and may God bless his soul. Of course, at the moment, there has been no decision made on when a funeral would be held. They said they were considering two different locations, one of them being the Marmara University School of Theology and the second being the Çamlıca Mosque, and they told me they haven't made a final decision yet. In Turkey, he has served as a prime minister, as well as the Minister of Foreign Affairs and the Minister of Culture. An important statesman. He is also from my hometown. For that reason, we enjoy a closer link. And he has always attended all of our events. He showed the grace to join, to accept all of our invitations as long as he was healthy. For that reason, I'm grateful to him. I would like to extend my condolences to his whole family, starting with his wife. May God bless his soul, and condolences to our nation.
Şimdi arkadaşlar, Taksim Camii ile alakalı olarak
and when it comes to the Taksim Mosque, within the month of Ramadan, hopefully, it will be completed according to the new information that I have received. And when it comes to the cultural center, the Ataturk Cultural Center, probably towards the end of the 6th month of 2021, they will be able to complete it. The Minister of Culture and Tourism is working very hard to make that possible. And hopefully, by the end of the 6th month, they try to complete the construction. In culture and tourism, of course, we're making important leaps. In Ankara, as you know, we have a similar action. But unless there is something extraordinary, by the end of the 6th month, this place will hopefully be completed. Maybe there could be some delays because of the electronic equipment inside, because they're imported, but all remaining works will hopefully be completed by the 6th month. Thank you very much.
Araç geliyor arkadaşlar. Alabilir miyiz hocam? Bunu alabilir miyiz? Şöyle bakalım. Nereye geçiyoruz? Alabilir miyiz? Memur Bey.